There are many electrical components on a super motocross race bike that the fans never get to see. Even though the wiring is mostly hidden, it is critical to the function and performance of these race bikes.
The main component that connects all the systems and sensors on the motocross bike is the wiring harness. For the most part, yes, it is stock. It's quite robust, and any modifications we make to it, we are taking it to a higher standard. So just like the human body, the wiring harness is almost like the nervous system. This is a connection to the ECU. This is a connection to our data logger. This is the connection to the launch light. This is the connection to the generator. These are some connections to the throttle body. This is a connection for a power output for additional accessories. This is our secondary start switch connection. This is a connection to monitor engine temperature. This is the connection to the ignition coil. These are connections monitoring the telemetry of the bike. This is a connection to know what gear the motorcycle is in. This is a connection for GPS. Right here is the main inputs that the rider can use on the handlebar. So everything runs back to the ECU. That's kind of the brains of the bike, and the ECU is deciding what to do with that information. The ECU is also communicating and sending its data to the data logger so it can record, and we can go back and look at all the information from the sensors during the session. So we want to make sure our harnesses are in top shape. Any deterioration along the system could cause failures in our motorcycle's performance.